How do you wrap text in Visual Studio? So first you want to open up your Visual Studio project and then go to Tools from the top menu here and then go to Options, and that should open up the Settings menu. Now if you're on the latest version of Visual Studio, which is 2026, you can search directly in the settings. Otherwise, you would go to text editor right here, expand it in the old version, and then you should find all languages and expand it, and then look for word wrap, or in the newest version, you can go to languages, expand it, and then expand defaults and click on it, and you should find word wrap under general. Make sure to check it like that. You can also check show visual GIFs for word wrap if you want to, and then click on the apply button next to it. And that's pretty much it for this video. So if you're in the old version, make sure to apply changes and press OK. Otherwise, in the newest version, it's automatically applied and saved. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.